So yesterday we did some redux implementation. So today also we'll continue the redux. It will be over by today or maybe one more session. The redux will be done, yeah, in one more session. So let's continue redux. Okay. So yesterday we did uh, we we are calling the topics from the redux rather than the state. And now this is the results page, and we're getting these topics from this one. So now here we don't want this state variable. We don't want this state variable, so we'll delete this one. We don't need it here. And since we don't need it, I don't need this one also and this one also. Because in every component we can call redux directly, so we don't need this part also. Okay, so we don't need the use state. This has become clean, and we can go to add topics. In add topic, we don't need the set topics now, and we are able to get the topics from the main one. And something, if we add something, we try to add some topic, it will go into the redux and it will be displayed in results automatically within this topics one. So value is null. Let's see value needed. Yeah, value is used for editing purpose. So we need both of them. So this also part we can put in the redux, but it is very local to this component. So we will not move this to redux. We'll keep it here in this component. Only thing is when someone will update it, we have to call the redux. So this part will get changed, but value will remain as it is. So let's try to fix this part. And also when someone will try to delete, then also we need to fix that part. Okay, let's do that part now. Let's complete the edit and delete part also. So as soon as when someone will click edit, we will make the value equal to true, and also we'll set the input to the value of what user is trying to edit it. And when he clicks handle update, we have to pass this update in the redux and update that. Okay, so let's do this part. So here in the redux, I'll go in the action. Like we have add topic, similarly we will create another one of edit topic, or action edit topic, and so when we are trying to edit, we want to see which one I'm trying to edit it. So if you see the previously, I need the value and input for value something which I am trying to edit it, the index in this case, and the input is a new value. So we need the key which I want to edit it. So in the action, I will pass key and the input value and the changed value. Okay, so this we have to pass it. So in the payload also, I will try to pass the key and the changed value. So based on the key and change value, we will update the edit topic. And this action edit topic I will call in the results. So I will say import action edit topic from the size section. Also, when we are trying to call the action, we need the dispatch part. So let's call dispatch also in the results. So we have to call this edit topic here to say dispatch. Okay, first call the dispatch here, like we have in the add topic, we have dispatch. We will call the dispatch here. And yeah, we have to call dispatch here in this component. And in the update, I will call dispatch action edit topic. And here I have to pass the key and value. So key is nothing but this one. And change value is this input. Okay, so in the action, we'll send the key as this value, which record I'm trying to edit it, and the value is the input here, what value user is trying to update it. So if I go here, I will pass this edit topic in the reducer, and in the reducer, we'll update the value. So how to update the value of the reducer? We will take this same one. Think of this previous value is there, and we'll update with this one. So similarly, I'll copy and paste it here. So what will be the previous value in this case? It will be the state.topics. State.topics. We'll take all the topics which we have, put it in the temp, and we will update action.payload.key. And this will be action.payload.change value. And then we'll update the topics with temp. Our topics will be updated with temp. We have done same thing, passing the key and the value, which we have already here in this code. That's what we will do. I'll delete this part now. Similarly, we'll do a delete part, but let's finish that edit part. Let's test the edit one if it is working. So I'll go here. So let's add the topic test2. I'll try to edit the test2. Make it 3. As soon as I click submit, you see the changes here. We are calling edit topic, and in the edit topic, we are updated the size to 3. We can edit this one also. So it is updated to same thing which we were doing here. Now we are doing it in the redux. Now let's do the delete part. Delete part will also be similar thing. We will copy this one. Action delete topic. In delete topic, we need only to pass the key which I have to delete. I don't need the change value. Since I want only one value, I can directly pass in the payload. So I just want the key which I want to delete it. And if I go here, it does same thing, and it takes a previous value and splice it. So here also I will do same thing. Delete topic and do same thing here also. So here first we'll take the previous values, and then we will do temp.splice, and then I will take the what I am doing it here. I'm calling splice. I'm passing the index and the one. So here index will be nothing but action.payload, which I will pass the index and one, and then I'll update the topics here. And in the results, I will call action delete topic. So here I will dispatch action delete topic, and I have to pass the key. Key here in the case is index. And I will remove the set topics. So this set topic is not needed now in the results. So let's try to do it now. So I'll create 3 tests. and I'll delete from here, and it is working as expected. So what we did from the component, we are calling the dispatch of some action with some values, and in the action we get that values and pass it to the reducer based on the logic which we have. And in the reducer, we write most of the logic we write in the reducer what to be done when we get the appropriate key value pair or appropriate variables. Any questions on this one? Okay. So let me put this code in the document so everyone can use it whenever you have time. So I'll update in this document, reduce, and then you can practice it later time. It's a reducer. It's a reducer. I updated the delete topic, and let's go to action. I'll update the action also. And then add topic is already updated. Let me then also refresh it. The add topic. Okay, then results page. Let's update the results page. Okay, then we have the topic. Topic is now updated to very lightweight. So most of the logic is put in respective component. We have removed from the topic by passing it in the topic. In the previous C, we are passing it the props, and now we are directly calling the redux. I'll save it. Okay. Any questions before we move further?
Yes, sir. For adding nodes, have we used value in the state?
Adding, you're talking about adding. Okay, this is adding. Yeah. What is the problem now?
Have you used value property?
Value as a topic
No, for nodes.
in the nodes. Okay, in the nodes we have not put any value, but we can also put the value from. We can get it like here we're getting a topic. Similarly, we can get it for the node also.
One more thing. You had used change to value while updating.
Okay, while updating, I put the variable name. If I am trying to updating, I'm putting here as a value input. So what is your question? I'm not clear.
No, while updating the state in the reducer, you have used changed value.
It is only the variable name. It is a variable. You can put anything, whatever. You can put value, you can put v, and this is called from here. So here I am passing this input. This will go in the site action as a change value, and here value is passed. That is a key actually, which will be passed as a key.
Okay.
It's only naming thing. Whatever you name, you want to name, you can name. So first parameter will go as a key. So this is the first parameter. Though it is named as value, but in fact it is key actually. We are setting the key, and we have to pass key here, and whatever user has changed, we have to pass it here. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So now that I will tell you another method of the reducer toolkit, redux toolkit, which people nowadays use. that's what the toolkit has come into the picture, and we'll use that method. So for that, let me create another file. So the new method which we have is generally about a slice. So we have to create the file. You can name it anything, but it name is, we will put something like slice. So I'll make it sites slice.js. So whenever you do in new method of Redux Toolkit, we have to create the slice file. So let me close other files. So here you will see, let me put in the README. So we have to create step one, we have to create a slice file. So which we are doing it. This is the new way to implement Redux in Redux Toolkit. Okay, so we have the new way. So first we have to create a file called as slice file. This is called site slice. So in that I will import create slice from Redux Toolkit. So we have to import create slice from the Redux Toolkit. And then we have to give some initial state. What will be the initial state? So here we will copy the initial state from the reducer of this one. I'll put it here. So I'm doing same thing, but I will be using this new way of toolkit. So when you go for your current job and they are using toolkit, they will be using this method, which I'll be showing you here. This one was the old method where we create action and reducer file as a separate. But nowadays with Redux Toolkit, we don't have sites and action two separate files. We have a single file which will work as an action also, which will work as a reducer. So this file is a combination of action and reducer. It is good if you try to write this slice as I am doing it. Otherwise, you will be lost when we are done with this one. Then I will create one constant. Maybe I can name a site slice equal to, I'll say create slice, and then I will pass some parameters inside it. So here we have to pass some key value pairs. First I have to name it. So you can name it anything. Maybe I will name it as sites slice. Okay, you can name it anything. And then it has some initial state which is nothing but this one. So this is the initial state which we have to pass. Generally it is a key value pair, and since we have the variable name key value same, so we will put only the key. Then it has some reducers which we have to define here in this reducer. And then the reducer is done, right? Okay. So this create a size slice. Okay. Now let's create this reducer part. This will be the similar what we have the reducers here in our case. Let's try to copy same thing from here, and then we'll edit it. So let me put it here. So previously you have seen that we are trying to take the previous state and then updating with the new value kind of thing. So that part is here optional. You can do like this also, but you can. This is something we are we are not we are making as immutable state. That is, we don't want to change the state. So we create the copy and then we update it with the new value. But with the new one, it automatically does inside the create slice. So just we have to say state dot topic equal to action dot payload. So we don't need to create the previous state and update with the topic. It automatically does. It automatically does inside the create size file. Okay, so we don't need this one. Similarly here, I will say state.topics equal to temp. I don't need to get the previous value and work on this one. Same thing will happen with the delete topic. Same thing will happen here. I will say state.topics equal to previous value, and I will also say state.topic equal to empty string. Here also I have to just say this one, means that I don't have to specifically return like this one. So just simply say what we are trying to update it. And in the last case also, so what change we did, we are not making it as immutable. We are thinking that it is okay to immutate, but actually it is not mutating. It will automatically do inside the car create slice. So we have to do like this. We don't have to take the previous value. Though if you put like this also, then also it is fine. But as per document, we have to do like this. Okay, so we have created same thing. Just we have updated how we are changing the value of the state. We don't have to return the state as we were doing previously. Now these are the reducer we have created. Now action is automatically created based on the reducer. So what we have to do, we have to do export constant. So all actions will become here in this curly bracket, and it will come from site slice dot actions. And then I will put something here. Right now I'm just making it actions, but I will destructure it. Let's see what we get in the actions. Actions. So what actions we are getting, we'll see it here. And also I will export default site slice dot reducer. So this is a reducer file, and this dot reducer is something we have to export it. And all the things which we have in the reducer, we have put inside the reducers here, inside the site slice, and we have the same kind of structure here. And we have renamed it to site slice. We can rename anything, maybe mango, anything you can rename it, whatever you want. Let's keep it mango for now, then I will revert it. So we have created this kind of reducer and action together. So with the new Redux toolkit, we don't have to create reducer and action as a separate file. We can do together with the slice file. And initially we create the reducer like this. And based on the reducer, it will automatically create the actions, which you will see it here. Let's see what actions we are getting it, and then we will destructure it actually. Right now I'm not destructuring it. First I want to see what kind of actions we are getting it. Now we have to tie this. We have to tie this in the store. So let's go to the store and tie this to the store. So I will import this file, then I will tie it. Import site slice from the site slice. So I imported the site slice, and then I will make it here, call it here in the reducer, I will call it. So here maybe I can say, so we have already sites. So I will just put SS for now, and I will say sites slice. Let's see what we are getting it, right? Let me check. Because a lot of name confusion is there. Here we have SS, here a side slice. If I go to side slice, if I go here in the side slice, I have here side slice and then we have mango. Let's see now what's going on, and we will try to change the name as per now. Let me refresh it. So if you see in the actions in the slide slides, we have following actions created: add note, add topic, delete topic. So these are the kind of actions which are created based on the type which we have. Okay. So these are the name of the actions which we have. Let's try to add test. I want to see what comes in the reducer. So we have the access coming here, access coming here with all the things here. So instead of assets, I will make it, so let's do first change here. Instead of assets, we will say site slice. Okay, so I will make it site slice. Let's see now. So we have the site slice here with all the initial value which we have defined in the state, in the initial state here. So this mango has no real meaning. It doesn't show up in that one. So we can put anything. Right now, I'll keep the name same. Okay, for now. That doesn't have real meaning. Okay. Now what I will do, I will export all this action here. So I will destructure it. So destructure is first will be add topic. Next is edit topic. So whatever reducer you have created here, you have to just export as a action. Then delete topic. You have to copy everything. Then we have set topics. Then we have add node. Then we have set font. So these are the names which I given in the previous one, and I'm trying to copy same thing here. So here we have copied same thing. So if you don't want to change your code, let's say if I want to implement this slice part in my Redux component, for example, topic 4. So I'm using action add topic here. What I'm using action add topic. If you don't want to change the name here in each of the components, so I can copy. One second. Okay, so I have named the same thing here. I have named same thing as we have in the reducer. But if I keep like this, whenever I want to add the topic, I will be, I have to use add topic in each of the files like here. Instead of action add topic, I have to call add topic like here, like this. But I don't want to change the name here kind of thing in each file. I want to keep the name same. So let's try to edit this page kind of thing. So instead of add topic, I will use action add topic, and same thing I will change it here. Okay, like this. Or or I can also do, or also I can do, let's do like this. First I'll do console.log. We can do multiple ways, I'm just showing you, but we will take some final approach and we'll do like that. So in that topic, we're not getting anything. What about actions when we were having actions? We were getting something? Yeah, we were getting the functions, right? Action, add topic, action, edit topic. Okay. So we have changed the action, add topic. Okay, let me revert this one because I changed the name. Okay, now we have add topic. So I will first console log this add topic. Let's see what we're getting. We're getting some function. I can also change it to, I can rename it to action add topic. Is this working? No. Let's pass it up. Let's see. Yeah, I can rename this to like this. Action add topic to action add topic. I will be renaming all this constant so that I can use this action file name rather than add topic. And for edit one, I have action edit topic. So I will rename it to action edit topic. Then we have action delete topic. Then we have action add node. And then I have action handle submit node. Then I have set topic, that is handle submit. So I'm renaming whatever I have here to some different name which I can use in my components. And then I don't need to, in each component, I don't need to change the name here. So I'm keeping the name same when I'm calling it. So let's try to see if all is coming correctly. Okay, let me check now. So if I refresh, I'm getting all the functions here. Okay, any questions till now? So let me go through this file again. I created one slice file, put the initial state. This initial state is nothing but what we have in the reducer. Then I created the slice, give any name, whatever you want, put the initial state, which we have. Then in the reducers, copy same thing what we have in the reducers. Only thing we don't have to immutate it. We can mutate also because it automatically immutate inside it. And we're just setting the key value pair which we want to update in each case. And then we export all the actions on the site slice actions. We export everything from this one site slice, and also we default export this reducer. So this single file serves the purpose of action and reducer, which we used to make in our olden days. Okay, this is the new way which we do it. Okay, any question till now before I go further?
Sir, after class, can you please update this video so that we can go through once again?
Yeah, I will update this file also in the
Fine.
document also. Yeah,
Sure.
so you can You can go through it. Let me create new file for this new way. I will say React Redux 3 new way to in the Redux toolkit. Okay, so here I'll put step 1, create slice file. Step 2, attach slice file to store. And step 3, use it in same way as we do before. Okay, so let me put under each thing. So create size file, I will copy this one. So it is exactly same what we did, but only thing is we have changed the way it is called. Then next is attach to store. Store is like this. So only part was changed is this one. We added this part and we added this part. Okay. Next is use it in same way. So how to use it in the same way? Let's say if I want to use it here in the add topic. So instead of calling in action, I will call it from site slice. These functions are already there. And for the results page also, I will just call it from the site slice. I will not call it from action because the name is same. And also topic one, we are not calling anything, right? Okay. So we did same thing. Just calling will be from the site slice. Now call all actions from site slice file rather than site action. Rest everything will remain same. Okay, so let me bold it. So you see, I didn't do any much effort. I used in the older way and just by placing it in different file, I'm able to use it. Now let's try to use it first and see how it goes. Okay, let's try to use it. Now if I refresh, I'll put, okay, let me refresh again. So while retrieving also, I have to retrieve from the site slice because if you see now slice is not updated, but slide slice is updated with the topic T. So while retrieving also, we have to update this one. So let's go to retrieving part that I have done. So we do that one. So let's go in the add topic first. So here you say retrieving was from the sites. Now we will change it to site slice. See the small letter is there here. So I have to use the small letter. Okay. So whatever we are getting here, we will do the same thing. So I will update using the site slice. Same thing, I'll go in the results page. I'll use site slice. That's it. Let's now do it. So now what I did change while retrieving also, I'm calling site slice. Previously I was doing different thing. I was using site. That's what it was not coming. I'll put test. You will see this site is not updated with anything because now we have changed to site slice. Here it is updated topic. As soon as I click topic, you will see the updated state. Topic is updated in the site slice. Title has become empty. Test. Edit it. I'm not clicking submit. Okay, I click updated, but it's not updating. Let's see. Okay, so update is not going properly. Let me fix that. Okay, let's fix the update part because we are not getting update one. So when someone try to edit it in the results page, when someone is trying to edit it, we're passing value and input. Let's go to this one. Let's see what we're getting here in the edit topic. Let me check what we're getting. So we are getting payload as 0. Payload is not coming properly. So this type is coming okay, but payload is coming 0. That is what we have to check. What change we have to do. Okay. So when I try to edit it, here, this is kind of payload, which we are expecting it. So instead of value input, I have to pass key value pair here, where key is this value. So we have to pass object from here only, and changed value is equal to what it is expecting. Let's see what it is expecting. It is expecting change value and the key. The same thing which we have to pass it from here. We have to pass key and the change value directly here. That is the problem which we are getting. If payload was coming as only the key, but there was no value. Okay, let's try now. Test 2. So here I am able to update it now. Delete, also I can delete it. So it is calling key automatically, type automatically, and we are able to see we have deleted everything from the site slice. So previously I created the sites one. I just took that code and converted into the site slice. So it was just that change. Since this should work in the old way also, so instead of I will change something in the old way. So in the old way, what I will do, when someone was trying to edit it, I was passing payload like this. So here I will just get the payload directly here, and I will remove this part. So payload should come directly from the component, like we are sending it here. Okay, now it will work in old way also and new way also, because I changed the way edit topic works. So even if I go old way or new way, you will see it will work both the ways. So if you see this part is not being updated, no, it is also updated. We are really add node. So it is also okay. Yeah, we have to rework on this node part, but at this topic is working fine. Any question on the topic part? Okay, no questions. Let's so I have let me update this file because I did some changes in the edit part. So I will update this file. Which file I have to update it? No, this file is same, correct? Yeah, I have only updated this file results. Let me update the results file. Okay, I will update in the another post, the one previous one. Okay, let's go to previous post and update it. So in the edit part, okay, let's go to the results page. Yeah, edit part, we will update edit part only here because I want both should work together. Even if I use new way or the old way, it should work. And also in the action edit topic, I will use it payload. So now it will work in both the ways. Yeah. So both the ways will work fine together. Now there is something, we need to call API. So a lot of things are there in this reducer. I will not go into detail kind of thing, but once we will do project, we will work again on this redux, how to implement the redux, what you call that API and all stuff. That will take a lot of time kind of thing. So we are done with the reducers, redux kind of thing this week only.
Sir, I have one question on API call. Just we will not work on it, but just to clear my
Yeah,
doubt.
yeah,
In Redux we use middleware Thunk and
yes,
Saga. So in
yeah.
Redux toolkit we also use same, or is there any other way to use?
So in Redux toolkit, we will not put API here. We will use
Query.
uh, query Redux toolkit. So let me show you. So Redux toolkit, if I RTK query, this is here RTK query Redux toolkit query overview. So we have to use this one. So this one is something separate file we have to create and call the API there. So I can show you. I can show you something maybe how it is done, but we will not do. We will
Yes,
not.
I got. I will study sir on it.
Yeah. So you have to go through the API of this API. So you have to create a new file. So currently we have the slice file. Currently we created a slice file with slice file, this one. But for this query, we will create another file called as a site service kind of thing. Let me create a file name, but we will not. Okay, site service.js. We'll create site service.js and then we will import the statement. So it will we will not use Thunk or Saga kind of thing. We'll use this one, and then we have to call the input like this, and all the query like all the calls like we say get all records, for example. Another one will be get one record. So we will create like this all our API calls. Then if you have post also, we will be using the post one. Okay, let's build like this. And if we have page post also, we can add one more post call, post one record. Instead of query, we will use mutation. And like this, we will add one put also, put one record. Mutation will be there, and the last will be the delete one. So these are all the kinds of requests we can make. And then here, we'll change the URL, and we'll also add more parameters for the post one, more parameters for the put one, in addition to the query which we had.
So instead of middleware Thunk and Saga, we will use query for Redux toolkit, right?
Yeah. We don't need to use the Thumb and Saga. This one will solve everything.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yes.
if you really want to, if you really want to do this one also, I will while building one project, I will use this one, so it will help you. Okay. Maybe we get time, we'll do next time this one. Since you
Okay.
are interested in this, so let's do this one. So previously, if you remember, everyone remember, we have the API call here in this one, right? We created a lot of API calls. So next time, next Saturday, what we will do, we will convert this whole API call which we do, we will put it in the site one, and instead of using this directly, we will call this Redux toolkit to do the same thing. Okay, so that way you will get example of this also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next Saturday we'll do this one. Let me see what we can do in this linked list. Okay, so we completed the get call, we completed the pop. Let me see what methods are pending here. I will not do today this one. I will give you task to do this. Okay, so for everyone, you have to finish all this one and show me next Saturday. So you have to try to do yourself all these 5 functions. I will give you in the chat also, and I will give you in the Telegram chat also. So try to complete these 5 functions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 functions of linked list. We will complete this next Saturday. and we'll also complete this one. This one will be nothing but what we did previously, this topic 3. In topic 3, we used the call directly, right? We do it directly in the component. But now, next week, what we'll do, we'll move all the calls to this service file, and we will use it from here. So we'll use it the Redux toolkit to access the calls. Okay? So let me comment right now. We will work next week. I commented it. Any questions now for today?